What's up, graphic designers? April 22nd is Earth Day, but we're going to be designing a poster where we're going to be celebrating every day as Earth Day. We're also going to include a slogan. In this case, we have protecting Earth is everyone's responsibility. You're going to include an image of yourself where you're quote unquote holding the earth in the palm of your hands. And we're going to be using the photos where we're superimposing yourself with the earth. So we're going to extract yourself in the basketball, of course. You're going to find a blank and we're going to pop it in. Additionally, we're going to make sure that we include the logo, the school logo. However, we're going to be eliminating the green. You're going to include your name and the year that you graduated. So shout out to Nazir who's graduating this spring. All right. Here is what I know. I feel like everything's straightforward. However, it's critical that we have two new fonts. So today what we're going to do is we're going to find a slogan. So in addition to make everyday Earth Day, you're going to have a secondary sort of subsequent slogan that you can maybe find from this Google Doc right here. Additionally, you absolutely have to go to dafont.com. You 100% need some new and exciting fonts. Maybe it's Brenton Signature. Maybe it's Billy James. I really like that. Alternatively, we can go to top, and we can find some fun ones here. When we return to Photoshop, we're going to think about how we're going to include this this logo. So what we're not going to do is press Command A, Command C, Command V, and then just leave it. Instead, what we're going to want to do is eliminate the green. So to do that, I'm going to use the magic wand tool. We're going to make sure contiguous is unchecked, because when contiguous is checked and we left click the green and press delete, you'll notice that all the green that's not touching the initial selection remains, and we don't want that. So I'm going to press Command Z, Command D to deselect. And I'm going to make sure that contiguous is unchecked. And so now when we click the green and we press delete, okay, that looks pretty cool. I'm going to press Command T, and then we can put that logo in a place that makes sense for you and your composition. You're going to find a background that you think looks cool. I think I searched beautiful sunset. You're going to look for a very pretty sky. Additionally, I added drop shadows to this text right here, and so you'll notice that it does look a little different, as well as the outer glow on the planet Earth. So we see a little bit of the atmosphere, right, when we add that outer glow. And how do I have it? I have normal opacity is at 89% white. The spread is at 0%. The size is 180 pixels. And I'm not mad at that. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm going to shift the earth down just a tad. Oh, that looks perfect. Last but not least, I was able to sort of sandwich the text between the earth text layer and the day text layer. I think that's a very pretty and interesting technique. You're going to strive to do the very same thing. So ladies and gentlemen, you're going to find your image, you're going to superimpose it, and then if you want to include a friend or multiple people in your poster, that's all well and good. You're going to submit your work as a JPEG at the end of class. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.